How's it going, YouTube? I'm just gonna do a quick video on an exhaust video. I have a Mario Kart downpipe and an Invidia Q300 exhaust. I got a lot of requests on what it sounds like, so I'm gonna go ahead and post this video. I'll make this video real quick for you guys, so stay tuned. Alright, well, if you like these videos, hit the subscribe button. Like the video. Leave comments if you have any questions or any comments, or if you want any more videos that you want to see me make, go ahead and post them down there, and I'll see you in the next one.